All right, so I just wanted to show everybody the two bikes I just bought for $9,000. So we have a 2022 CRF300L, and then we got a CRF450RL. Both 2022, both with 1,500 miles or less. And I got them for $9,000 for both. But there's a catch. So, show you real quick. So, for the 450, it's pretty, not messed up, bent up, but the radiator is bent on the side. And the guy switched the fan from the rear to the front, I guess just because it's, you know, compressed against the engine there. But other than that, it's got nothing wrong with it, which is very, very dirty. Seemed like he changed the oil, but he didn't really do much of the other maintenance. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. Chain maintenance, non-existent. And only other modifications I can find on it are lowering links and just like a phone charger. And that's it. It's basically bone stock. And then here's the CRF300L. It's a 2022 also. He said this is his wife's bike. So as you can see, it's it looks significant, but it's the radiator's bent a little bit, but it's mainly the fairings over here and also on the right side, but we'll finish, or sorry, the left side. But I was pricing out new like lower fairings, bash plate, and side fairings, and it's about $1,000. I'm gonna try to zip, take them off, reposition everything and zip tie it, kind of drift stitch it, see if that makes it look okay. Then here comes the other side, a little bit better. Still bashed up, cracked. Not sure what really goes right there in that spot right there. It's pretty dirty, as you can see. Pretty dirty. The chain, same situation, pretty dirty, rusted. But yeah, so got both of these bikes for $9,000. I'm gonna be hopefully cleaning them up here soon. Been feeling kind of sick, and we're also dealing with the 10-degree weather outside with a little bit of snow, so I couldn't really do much with them the past couple of days. But after the work week, I'm hoping to really tear the CRF300L down, and then clean it up very well and seeing how I can make it look without spending $1,000 on new fairings. The only thing I want to do on this one for now is see if I can reposition the radiator. I don't really want to rebend it. As you can see, it's pretty beat up right there. And if not, and also the other surprising thing, both bikes are holding coolant, no leaks, nothing like that, but they are pretty twisted. So I'm hoping to, see if I can bend it, but if not, I'll buy a new radiator for this left side on the CRF450 and on this 300 on the right side, which is not really bent. It might just need to be coerced in a direction. Then here's also my Tenere 700. The only thing I have left to do with it, I have a front fender kit coming in. Should be here tomorrow or Wednesday. So I'll do the front fender kit, then this bike will be pretty much done. Oh, and I also wanted to show $14.99, or sorry, $15.99. And then I got the 300L. And the keys on both these bikes are really janky. Yeah, on this bike, 1357. So very low mileage on both of these bikes. So that's what's $9,000 worth of 2022 bikes looks like. Feel like I got a good deal, but still cosmetically, they look a lot rougher than I thought they would be, but still they're both ideal of what I want. I was planning on buying a CRF450 already, but all the prices are like $8,000, $9,000. Some of them are private sellers with all modifications done to it, but I'll just work on it, save up the money and do it myself. The CRF300L, I just kind of wanted just because of the fuel economy. Kind of reminds me of the CB500X that I used to have. 70 miles to the gallon, smaller frame, easy to ride, and it's very lightweight, so I plan on taking it out to just do some trails and whatnot. Maybe off-road park. I know this bike would be fine, but the CRF300L I think would be better than the Tenere and the more trickier stuff. But yeah, that's all I got for right now. Hopefully make some videos of cleaning them up, doing some maintenance, and doing some repairs on them. And that's it. Thanks for watching.